In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a Typeform style multi-step form with v0.app and add it to your website. We'll start right on your PC. Open your browser and navigate to v0.app. If you're not already signed in, sign into your account so you can generate and export what you build. Once you're in, look for the main prompt box. This is where you tell v0 what you want. Type a clear request, for example. Create a Typeform style multi-step form with name, email, and submit button. The more specific you are, the better the initial result will be. When your prompt looks good, press enter to submit it. Give v0 a moment to generate the form. You'll see a layout and components appear automatically based on your prompt. When it's ready, click preview to open an interactive view. In the preview, step through the form as a user would. Check that the name and email fields are present, the steps progress smoothly, and the submit button is easy to find. This is a great time to notice spacing, alignment, and whether the flow feels intuitive. If you want to tweak anything, click back into the prompt box and describe exactly what to change. For instance, you might say, make it full screen and add a progress bar. You can iterate as much as you like. Be explicit about details like colors, button text, or field order if that matters to you. After each adjustment, open preview again and verify the form now matches your vision. Once everything looks right, click the code button. This opens the code panel containing the implementation generated for your form. Review the structure so you know what you're copying. Depending on the context, you may see HTML, CSS, or framework-based components. When you're ready, use the copy control to grab the entire snippet. Now switch to your website or project. Open your code editor and paste the snippet where the form should live. This could be an HTML file, a page template, or a component in your app. Keep the code in one place and follow any comments or instructions included in the snippet so it hooks into your project correctly. If your project uses a specific framework, make sure you paste it into the appropriate file type and respect any import or styling conventions already in place. That's it. You've used v0.app to prompt, preview, refine, and export a Typeform-style multi-step form, and then integrated it into your site. If you need further changes, just return to v0, update the prompt, and recopy the code.